Hello everyone, this is Mingjong. Welcome to today's market analysis on the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the scenarios that could play out for my potential setup, and together with the key levels and also the bias, obviously. So without further ado, let's just get started. As you can see on this daily chart here, we have a breakdown of this up channel, and subsequently we have a rally up yesterday session. But if you look into H4, it might be obvious. Yesterday's session barely a backtest or maybe an automated rally to just test the important level at 2800. But we can see there are some rejection shown up here the first times and the second times, which happened today, I think in the European session. So it get rejected twice at 2800 level. This proves that this level is quite an important level to pay attention to, and also this fit nicely for the potential short entry that I'm going to show you later in this video. And also if we zoom out a little bit here, you can see that this up channel actually becomes a resistance for the price. So the S&P 500 just rally up to 2800 level. That coincides with the the trend line, now becomes resistance. So this is quite a nice confluence area. But bear in mind that we have a jobless claims report coming out later tonight in the US session. So I think definitely we will see big movement after the news is out. So one of the possibility to have a short squeeze I could think of might be to keep grinding up to test this breakdown bar. So if we zoom into H1, we can see that we did have a breakdown bar that's in the Asian session. So it's just a breakdown from this little channel, and subsequently we have another breakdown from this bigger channel. So this breakdown bar actually is very close to this access line 2830. So I would say that should this price to break above the swing high 2806, then it could probably travel up to 2830. Means that to test the access line together with this breakdown bar. So this is one of the possibility as well. So far my expectation is still to expect the price to bouncing up and down, at least for within this trading range, but eventually it's going to break down to 716 level. So my bias is still down. It's just a matter of time when it will happen. So far I think once it breaks down to 2715, if this level get taken out, I think we should see price to reach around 2625 level, which is a very important level to me, because I think this level as something like a last line of defense. So once this level get taken out, I think we should see a quick sell-off where there are a lot of the volatility pick up, and that's the time that we should see a test of 2450 or even lower level closer to the selling climax low. So 2625 is a very important level to watch. Some of the bullish scenario case probably will have a bounce at a 2715 or even a bounce at 2625. So as long as we still stay above these levels 2625, I think the overall structure from the bottom of March will still not be violated. We're still in an uptrend, but it's just that we're probably going into a trading range, bouncing up and down for a prolonged period of time. So back to today's setup. I think that one of the good setup could be to have a short entry around this area 2800 to around 2807. So this entry here are actually good for a short entry with a stop above the swing high, obviously. And the first immediate take profit target will be around 2750. So this is the first line of the defense, 2750, 2754, something like somewhere around this region. So if this level get broken, then definitely we should see a test of the swing low at 2715. So two price target here. And the other setup that I can think of is probably around this area. So as you can see that we already have a good setup in the European session around here. So if this S&P 500 getting weaker later, just heading towards a US session, it could already break the 2775, yeah, around this level. So actually I'm looking at a sell-off below this level, probably a weak rally up, and to short around this area if there is a chance later. Let me just quickly show you something like this, moving down and maybe have a weak rally up, and this will be the entry point if it does get rejected from here. And we just anticipate the price to keep moving down to 2750 or even to the swing low here. So two possible or potential trade setup, maybe around this area here, 2800, or if it's break below 2770, then I'm expecting a weak rally up to test the area, and I will short into a failure. So the key levels that I'm paying attention to, as I mentioned, 2800 is a key level, and if there's any short squeeze, then probably I will look at 2830 around this level, 2800 to 2830, and these are the resistance. The immediate support will be 2750 and the swing low at 2715. So if it break below, then definitely 2625. So the bias is still down, and these are two potential shorting setup that I just show you. So that's it from me for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, just click like and hover to my picture and follow me, and also subscribe to my channel. Just leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye.